What's going on, guys? Cody and I just made it to Wall Drug Store. The store has been open since 1931, and the way that they enticed people to come back in the 1930s is that they offered free ice water, which was like unheard of back in the day. Now they have kind of everything. It seems like look at this. Yep, they got cowboy hats in there. They got cowboy boots. You guys are coming along and we're gonna check it out. They got food too. We haven't eaten since I don't know, like 5-6 hours, so we're pretty hungry. We just drove about 6 hours to get here. Let's see what it looks like, guys. Wow, this place is huge. Jeez. I think here's the boot store, Cody. We'll look at it later. Books. So guys, yes, they have a little bit of everything, as you can see. All kind of shops. Whoa, look at this. It's a gallery. So many pictures. Oh, check it out, an ancient phone. It's missing the ear, the part that you put to your ear. This place also still serves 5-cent coffee. They've done that since 1931. We're gonna go find the diner part, and we're gonna order some bison burgers. At least that's what I'm gonna get. I don't know what Cody's gonna get. All right, we found the diner area. Check it out. What kind of artwork on the walls? We're gonna figure out how to order, and I'll cut back when I get my food. All right, so we found where the food is. They have donuts, pies, and we wait in line here and it wraps around. Here's their menu.
Combo. And 2 undated.
So guys, I keep seeing things that I want to bring you guys back for. So they serve wines. Check it out.
Is it too long now?
It's getting too long.
Okay, maybe tomorrow.
Look at this. They have silver dollars in their table here. Pretty neat. All right, guys. So I ordered a bison burger. I added cheese to it. Came with fries, and I got a bottle of water. And the total for this was $18.66. I'll set you guys up and I'll take a bite, let you know how it is. All right, first I'm gonna taste test the fries. A little bit of ketchup. They remind me of like maybe like a McDonald's fry. Or no. The Buffalo Burger. They give you pickles, onions, tomatoes, lettuce. Cheers. It's a good burger. It's juicy. You can tell that it has a little bit different flavor than beef, but it's nothing like crazy. Overall, it's really good. Cody got the chicken strip basket with onion rings. And you got a souvenir cup. Alright, Cody Farstrider. About to review some chicken strips from Wall Drug, South Dakota. Good? Look. The best you've ever had? Or decent?
Not the best one.
They're good. They're pretty good. Alright. I'll bring you guys back later after we eat. Alright guys, we're gonna check out this store right here. This is the Buckboard Western Wear. As you can see, it's very busy here. Very, very busy. Yep. It smells like leather in this store. Ooh, yeah. Here's the cowboy hats, Cody. Wow, look at all these Stetsons over here. Made in the USA. Wow. I might have to get a cowboy hat. Yeehaw. Cody, does it fit me?
Yes.
Maybe I'll get one.
What?
Maybe I'll get a cowboy hat for Wyoming. I haven't looked at that yet. 104 bucks.
Jeez.
Well guys, I went through with it. I bought myself a cowboy hat. So we're going to Wyoming, baby. Gotta be a cowboy for the trip. Check this out. They've got all kinds of cowboy boots. A billboard that I saw claimed that they had 10,000 different cowboy boots here. Yeehaw, guys. We're going to another store. I like the totem pole. Wow, this guy looks like he's having a great time. He's having a good old time. Here's the Traveler's Chapel. They have some prayer beads on the wall. They have the Christian cross up here. Cody tells me I need to take my hat off and respect the chapel. They have the Holy Bible. Nice stained glass up there. I think my grandma would like this. Shout out, Grandma. All the pews. Nice. It's got a nice smell in here too. That's church smell? Look, they got the Catholic beads, yeah. Indian charity for needy children. All right, onward. What?
Respectful. You want the church to take off your head?
Cody, don't you know I'm a heathen?
No.
Western Art Gallery. Ooh. Wow, cowhides. $300 each. They're pretty soft. Silver foxtail. Nice. Look at the price, guys. $2,400 for this buffalo hide. The skull better come with it for that price.
Excuse me, there's no photos in the rest of the store.
Okay. Alright guys, unfortunately I wasn't allowed to show you the rest of that store because they had artwork that they didn't want photographed. So you guys are gonna have to come here yourself to Wall Drug in Wall, South Dakota and see that art gallery. I would take you to see the drugstore, but they're closed currently. Actually, I don't think they're ever open. This is just a mock drugstore. All right, guys, once again, this was Wall Drug as you can see behind me there. Wall Drug. And this is in Wall, South Dakota. Really cool place. If you ever get the chance, you should come check it out. What started as a drugstore slowly was built upon and became what I just took you through. I'm gonna end the vlog here. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video, and if you want to see more content like this in the future, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.